We're at Lower Burro Mesa Pouroff. We're going to be hiking this here. Okay, down the trail we go here. All right. Well, we're walking down this trail. Got all the hills and whatnot on either side of us here. It's hot. I forgot my sunglasses, so I'm squinting here. But there's only so much I can remember. All right.
Hey, here we are at Lower Burro Mesa Pouroff Trail. 1 mile in, but it sure was a hot one. I mean, 1 mile round trip. Let me get you a close-up of the team. We are doing good. Second hike of the day, even after lunch. All right.
And I made it to the end of the trail here. Got my little neck fan on here. It's feeling nice and cool here and everything. And so glad I didn't have my sunglasses, so I'm all squinty here and everything. But it's a beautiful day. It's hot, and we're going out to dinner afterwards. We're going to be heading back on the trail now for all my fans out there. Thank you all very much. Bye-bye. Well, I'm coming back out now. I'm going to come back down the trail to go back to the buses or the vans, whatever you want to call them. Look at that big scenery, blue sky. It's hot. It's hot. Lots of sun here, but all right, gotta pick them up, putting them down, picking them up, putting them down here. Okay. There's Big Bend here, Big Bend National Park. This is where we're at, right here. There you go. Okay. Here's looking outside here. All the cars and everything coming over here. Here's the Big Bend Park sign. This is the highway here. They're coming over here. Look at the sky out there. Isn't it nice? There you go. There you go. Big Bend there. Yep. Oh, there.